How to send money abroad on Wise. So from the main page of Wise, what we have to select is this option, send money. Here we'll have to select your currency. So stay on the international page or tab, and you have to select the currency that they will receive the money in. So let's do US dollar. So if we do this, it is going to automatically convert it and show us how much the person will receive. Also, it will tell us that it should arrive by Monday. So after we have selected this, then what we have to click on is continue. Right here, we can either search for their name, their Wise tag, their email, or their phone. So if you know their information, you can type it out right here, or you can select someone else and you can write out their information this way. So their email, full name, account number, account type, so on and so forth. You can choose the country as well. And after that, what we have to do is we have to click on confirm, and it will take us to the review page. So from the review page, you just have to review all of their account information and whether it's correct or not, and then you can also confirm it, and they will receive the payment by the date shown in the previous screen. So that's how you send money abroad. So hope this was helpful. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.